If you want to design your publication from the very beginning yourself, then you will need to create a blank publication. In this video, we will learn how that can be done. First, you need to click Create Publication button and open Create from Blank tab. Here you can specify the number of pages of your publication, choose the spread type, specify the page size and also page mode, portrait or landscape. Then, you can either click more options and specify the title, edition, description, keywords of the publication as well as the secondary category, make it available for PDF download, make it printable and also mark as adult content. Or you can miss the settings and add them later. Just click back and Create Publication button. Congratulations, you have created your blank publication. Now you need to add interactivity to it. To do so, click Edit Content button. Stay tuned to learn the Creator Editor basics.